Hello, guys. This is a conversation for English beginners about preparing for university after finishing high school. Let's start. Good morning.
Good morning. How do I choose the right university?
Think about what you want to study. Look for universities that are good in that subject. Check their location, cost, and size. Visit if you can, or read about them online.
What if I don't know what to study?
That's okay. Choose a university with many options. Talk to teachers or friends for advice. You can decide later after exploring.
Should I go to a university far from home?
It depends on you. If you like being close to family, stay nearby. If you want independence, go farther. Think about travel costs and feelings.
How do I know if a university is good?
Check its ranking and reviews. See what students say about it. Look at the success of its graduates. A good university will also have helpful staff.
Should I visit universities before choosing?
Yes, if possible. Visiting helps you see the campus and meet people. You can ask questions and feel the atmosphere. If you can't visit, watch videos or attend online events.
What is a campus?
A campus is the area where the university is located. It has classrooms, dorms, libraries, and other buildings. It's like a small town for students. Some campuses are big, and some are small.
What is the difference between a college and a university?
A college is usually smaller than a university. It may focus on one area, like arts or science. A university has many colleges and offers more degrees. Both can give you a good education.
How do I apply to a university?
You fill out an application form. Write about yourself and your grades. Some universities ask for essays or interviews. Follow the deadlines carefully.
What is a scholarship?
A scholarship is money to help pay for university. You don't need to pay it back. Some scholarships are for good grades, sports, or other talents. Apply early to get one.
Can I study abroad?
Yes, many students study in other countries. You need to check visa rules and language requirements. Studying abroad can be exciting and challenging. It's a great way to learn about new cultures.
How can I prepare for university classes?
Start by reviewing your high school notes. Practice reading and writing in English. Learn how to manage your time well. Being organized helps a lot.
Do I need to know how to write essays?
Yes, essays are important in university. Practice writing clear paragraphs. Use examples to support your ideas. Ask someone to check your work.
What is a syllabus?
A syllabus is a plan for a class. It shows what you will study and when. It also has rules and deadlines. Read it carefully at the start of the semester.
Should I learn to take notes?
Yes, note-taking is very useful. Write down key points during lectures. Use short words and symbols to save time. Review your notes after class.
What books will I need?
Your teacher will give you a list of books. Some books are expensive, so check for used ones. You can also borrow from the library. Always get the right edition.
How can I improve my English before university?
Practice reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Watch English movies or listen to podcasts. Join a language class or find a study partner. The more you practice, the better you get.
Do I need a laptop for university?
Yes, most students use a laptop. It's helpful for writing papers, doing research, and joining online classes. Choose one that is light and fast. Keep it charged and safe.
What is plagiarism?
Plagiarism is copying someone else's work. It's not allowed in university. Always write in your own words. If you use someone's idea, give them credit.
How can I stay organized?
Use a planner or calendar. Write down your class times, homework, and deadlines. Keep your notes and books in order. Staying organized reduces stress.
Should I join study groups?
Yes, study groups can help a lot. You can share ideas and learn from others. It's also a good way to make friends. Make sure the group stays focused.
How do I budget for university?
Start by listing your expenses like tuition, books, and food. Compare this to your income or savings. Plan to spend wisely and save money. Avoid unnecessary expenses.
Can I work while studying?
Yes, many students work part-time. Check if your university has on-campus jobs. Working teaches responsibility and helps with expenses. Don't let work affect your studies.
How do I pay for university?
You can use savings, scholarships, or loans. Talk to your family about finances. Apply for financial aid if needed. Always plan your budget carefully.
What is a student loan?
A student loan is money you borrow for university. You must pay it back later with interest. Only borrow what you need. Understand the terms before taking a loan.
Should I open a bank account?
Yes, a bank account is useful for managing money. Choose a student-friendly account with low fees. You can use it for saving and paying bills. Keep track of your spending.
What should I pack for university?
Pack clothes, toiletries, and school supplies. Bring important documents like your ID and acceptance letter. Don't forget a few personal items to feel at home. Check what's already provided in your dorm.
What is a dorm?
A dorm is a place where students live on campus. You share it with other students. It usually has a bed, desk, and closet. Some dorms have shared bathrooms or kitchens.
How do I find housing if I don't live on campus?
Look for apartments or shared housing near the university. Check online listings or ask the university for help. Visit the place before signing a lease. Make sure it's safe and affordable.
What is a meal plan?
A meal plan is a way to pay for food on campus. You buy it at the start of the semester. It lets you eat at dining halls or cafes. Choose a plan that fits your needs.
How can I save money on food?
Cook your own meals if you can. Buy groceries instead of eating out. Look for discounts or student deals. Eating healthy is also cheaper in the long run.
How can I make friends at university?
Be friendly and talk to people in your classes. Join clubs or activities you enjoy. Attend university events to meet new people. Don't be shy to say hello.
What if I feel homesick?
Feeling homesick is normal. Stay in touch with family and friends back home. Make your dorm feel cozy with photos or decorations. Focus on enjoying your new experiences.
Should I join clubs or activities?
Yes, clubs and activities are great for meeting people. They also help you learn new skills. Choose something you're interested in. It makes university life more fun.
How do I deal with stress?
Take breaks when you feel tired. Exercise, eat well, and sleep enough. Talk to someone if you feel overwhelmed. Managing time helps reduce stress.
What if I don't like my roommate?
Try to talk and understand each other. Set rules for sharing the space. If it doesn't work, ask for help from the dorm staff. Respect each other's differences.
How do I balance study and fun?
Make a schedule for your day. Spend enough time on studies, but also relax. Join fun activities or hang out with friends. Balance is key to enjoying university life.
What is orientation week?
Orientation week is the first week of university. You learn about the campus and meet new people. There are tours, events, and activities. It helps you feel comfortable.
How do I stay healthy at university?
Eat balanced meals and drink water. Exercise regularly, even if it's just walking. Wash your hands often to avoid getting sick. Visit the campus health center if needed.
What if I miss my family?
Call or video chat with them often. Write letters or send photos to stay connected. Share your university experiences with them. Remember, they are proud of you.
How do I stay motivated?
Set small goals and celebrate when you reach them. Remind yourself why you chose university. Surround yourself with positive people. Take one step at a time.
What is a professor?
A professor is a teacher at the university. They are experts in their subjects. You can ask them questions and learn a lot from them. Be respectful and listen in class.
What is a lecture?
A lecture is a big class where the professor talks. You take notes and listen carefully. Sometimes there are hundreds of students. It's important to pay attention.
How do I ask for help?
Don't be afraid to ask questions. Talk to your professor or teaching assistant. Visit the library or use online resources. Help is always available if you need it.
What is a study schedule?
A study schedule is a plan for your study time. Write down when and what you will study. Stick to it to stay on track. It helps you avoid last-minute stress.
Should I join a mentor program?
Yes, a mentor can guide you through university life. They share advice and answer your questions. Mentors are usually older students or professionals. It's a great way to learn from experience.
What is an internship?
An internship is work experience in your field of study. It helps you learn skills and meet professionals. Some internships are paid and some are not. They look good on your resume.
How do I prepare for exams?
Start studying early and review your notes. Practice with old exams or questions. Take breaks to rest your mind. Stay calm and confident.
What is a major?
A major is your main subject of study. You choose it based on your interests or career goals. You take most of your classes in this subject. Some students change their major later.
What is a GPA?
GPA stands for grade point average. It shows how well you are doing in your classes. A high GPA means good grades. Work hard to keep it up.
What is graduation?
Graduation is when you finish your degree. You wear a special gown and get your diploma. It's a big celebration of your hard work. Your family and friends will be proud of you.